Hi everyone, I'm fatbabamike. Today I will talk about online selling channel. Let us begin. A lot of the parents, if they have one of them is stay home to take care of the kid, a lot of them will want to probably find a part-time that is selling something online or have some other way that can help to get more income. Or now a lot of the family need to stay home, so no one know how long it will take, and then they may want to have another part-time or get some of the information about that. That is why I try to give out the information, since I am been in this online selling market over 16 years. A lot of them I use it at the beginning or at the very first version until now. I still selling online. I will give the information on that. All the information I give will base on for the parent. You want to know how to be good or be best or have a more specific answer on each channel, then probably you need to find another YouTuber's video. For me, I will talk about a lot of the channels, good and bad, like con and pro. So first we'll give idea today, and then next week I will talk about Amazon and then eBay, Walmart, Sears, and other channels, like what is good and bad, like how you want and think will be good and fit your schedule and your way to do it. What is online channel and why I need those instead of making my own website? I did my own website. Even now I still have my own, my company still have their own website selling all the product. Why I still need to go to different online selling channel? I will tell you the difference. If you really think it is if you have an order, you just ship it, otherwise it's fine, then probably you can make your own website. Or you are really popular, like you don't really need to make marketing or advertisement, then you can have your own website. Like a lot of the YouTubers, like the famous one, they will have their own website selling their own product, then those will be fine. But if not, nowadays, if you want to maintain your website to that everyone know in a short period of time, that will take a lot of the time, money. So time is like you need to design a website pretty good, and then find the third party that can host your website, and then have like the merchant can to accept the credit card and everything. And then you need to spend a lot of money to do the advertisement on maybe Google and then a lot other different places. Promote your website to let people know you. If you are full-time, fine, you can try to do that. But now I'm talking about part-time, you need to take care about the kid. Those is probably not the first priority option. I'm not saying they are not good, but it's not the priority option. What is the selling channel good at this part? The selling channel and then your own website is your own website. You control everything. You can change the price, you can change the image, you can change the design, you can change the description. Also, you don't need to pay that much fee. Probably you only need to pay the credit card fee. And now a lot of the credit card, like the merchandise company, the fee they charge is not that expensive. However, like I say, you need time and then money for those. And if you go to the selling channel, let's say eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Sears, and a lot of other channels, a lot of the selling channel, they will charge you certain fee. The fee is really different. I will say for the big company, the fee they charge is like 12% and up. If you combine all other things, at least 12% or up in your total final selling price. What they charge you for is they will do the marketing, they will promote your product, they will help you to run. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is take picture on your product and then make a nice picture and write the description. You post it with the price. All you do is ship it. And now a lot of this online selling, you don't need to ship it. You ship to those companies, they will ship it for you too. So you probably you only need to make your listing one time, and you remember to keep selling the product when you won't be sold to zero. That's all you need to do. But like they will charge certain fees. So that is like, I will tell you from all my experience, the fee they charge and compared to the time and the money you use for promoting your own website, they will be pretty same or even cheaper. Let's say today you make a website called bestmomselling.com. This I just make that up. I don't know really have that website or not. Another one is like Amazon. If you carry one of the products for let's say that for the kid to use it, or you make a clothes, your own website easy to people to find, or the people to go to Amazon and type dollars 40 clothes. Which one will be more traffic? That means like more people to go visit and then can find the product and sell it. Remember, now it's not promoting you or what your product or your brand. Now it's about like have a part-time another income and have the product you try to sell it out. So like the dose is different. You want to fast to have extra income and then to sell the product. You will see which way is better. So that's why like the channel is good. Okay, is that Amazon the best, or eBay the best, or Walmart the best, or like CS the best? They all have different requirements. Let's talk about what is the purpose for you to sell on those channels first, and you can think about it before I tell you which one better for you. It didn't say which channel is better. Some people will think Amazon is good, some people think eBay is better, some people fit in Walmart or Amazon or even other sales channel. No such channel is like the only one. It's like see which one is best fit your need. The first question you need to ask, what you want to sell. Do you want to sell like some second used item? Now a lot of people stay in home, or you are the mother or father stay home, take care of kid. You always clean up, and then probably some of the kids' clothes or it's a gift to you, but the kid never use it because they go faster than you can wear those clothes, or some other tools or equipment for the kid your kid don't need it anymore, like the high chair or other the carpet for the kid. Now they don't need it and you probably want to sell it out, or you want to hand make something and then to sell it, or you try to buy some product and sell it on retail, or you buy from manufacturing and sell it. All of them will be different for you to decide what channel you want to sell. You make your decision. Next step is the requirement. Some sales channel, they require you at least have the business year, or some of them like you can self-employ, or some of them like you need to have at least have a company, even though you are not in corporate or just like self-employed, but they need you to have a company, like have the tax ID from issued by your state or your city before you can like sell on their channel. So first of all, you need to think what you try to sell, then look for the channel that fit for you, and then see the requirement. Like from us in California, most likely you get the company, open a company is better. Then what type of company, then you need to ask like accounting, or you search online, see which one fit you most. Then before you go to start to run the business. A lot of people think, oh, a lot of work to do. It really depends on like if you only sell 10, 20 item, like the like I say the used item, or some new baby clothes, but like you never wear it and you want to sell those out, then it's a different story. Like probably you only sell little amount, and then like if your state or your county requirement is lower, then probably you won't exceed that amount. You don't need to do that extra step. You just can sell it on probably maybe eBay or some other channel, or like in California public Craigslist or other. A lot of the channel you can use. If you want to continue to do it, like probably you can do the some people do the garage sale. You will go look for it and then buy those and then like sell it online. Also, you want to run a long term, then probably you need to check like country or your city state like the requirement. What is that? Okay, now you have like you know what product you try to sell, then like you know what requirement you want. After that, you will need to think about how to do the business. What I mean how to do it is that you want to do it yourself, you want those channels to help you do it, or what method you want. I would say the idea about USA first. So in USA, a lot of like if you try to ship the item, a lot of people will think, oh, I don't have time to go to post office, or I don't have time to go to UPS, FedEx, those shipping company. I need to take care of kid, I need to pick up my kid, I need to do cook dinner and a lot of things to do. You have two options. First option is if you try to ship by post office, let's say that your item is not heavy, it's lightweight, under 4 pounds. Post office may be your priority option. And then like you can buy the label in a lot of selling channel now. You can require post office to go to your home to pick up the package. Even 1 or 2 package is fine. Like let's say you have ordered today, you pack it, you print the label, you can request them to come, and or you can today or the next business day, and then they come pick up those items. That way, you don't need to go out your home. You just need to have a printer, you have a computer, you have your phone to take the picture, and then you can run the business. And then of course you need to have the product. If you say I don't even have time to pack it, print label those, then you probably can look for the channel that you can ship the item to them and they package ship it for you. Of course, like the fee will be more because they need the labor fee, and then they will charge you the shipping, like plus all the different kind of fee to help you to do your work. And then if you say I am not selling the original product like from manufacturing, I just purchase from retail store, or I just purchase I just sell the second-hand item. So I may not meet the requirement from those sales channels. Now have another type of business. What they do is like you can store the old item at their warehouse, and they will help you to ship the item, and they will charge you certain fee also, like it's on top of like the shipping charge. You pay to those the company, then like every day they will generate your order, and then they will, oh, okay, you have like this item, and then you sold one to this customer. They will help you print label, ship the item, you store the item at their place. You pay monthly fee for the storage, and then each order they charge a little bit fee, and then the shipping, and then it's run like that. So you don't need to worry about anything. All you need to worry is listing the item, and then answer the email from the customer, and then other people will help you to run. The cost may be a little bit more, but it's like kind of like you hire 1 people to do it. You save a lot of time. So it depends, like short term or long term. In short term one, like it won't worth it because you pay more, the cost is higher. But if it's a long term one, you're thinking about, okay, my kid will go to school, I need to do the same thing like every year for maybe next 6-7 years. I just want some extra income to come in. You will be fine. Like some people run the other part. I just need to focus my listing, my inventory, and then answer the email for the customer question. Then those I can handle it because maybe probably when the kid have the nap time, I can do it, or after dinner. And then as long as you can answer the email within 24 hours on the same day, it will be fine. Listing, you can list 1 today, 1 next week, it doesn't matter. So as long as you can keep listing the new item on there, and then you can manage the inventory, that will be fine. You order the item, you ship to their warehouse, and then let them know you have new product coming in. They will help you take care of everything else. Those is the new kind of business in United States now. And I know a lot of the country they already have it, especially in Asian area, they have this type of business. So to help people to manage the way after, you don't need to worry about those. It's pretty good for the family who need to take care of the kid, or both parents go to work, and then they just want extra money as a part-time because they cannot go to have the second job part-time. Like they already work 9 to 6 and then take care of the kid, and then they need to sleep and everything, so they cannot do that much work. So they will like to have a easy way to have like the extra income. Then it will be a good way to do it. So you have like you find out all the type of business you want to be, and then like you have everything ready. Then now it's like, see which online selling channel is good for you. I will talk about next Wednesday. Next Wednesday, I will talk about Amazon first. It's not advertisement or it's not sponsored. So whatever they good or bad, like in all those different channels, I will let you know exactly what you want to know and you need to know. So I will hope to see you next Wednesday, and then it will be about Amazon first. If you like my channel, give me a like and subscribe my channel. Click the bell so when I have a new video, you won't miss it. I will upload video every Wednesday and Sunday. If you like it, share it, and leave a comment. You have any question, you like it or not, I will read all the comments myself. I hope to see you next Wednesday. See you soon.